The PayPal installment payment method lets you split your purchase into 4 payments over 6 weeks, often called Pay in 4. Here is your quick guide to use it. First, shop online at any site that accepts PayPal. Second, proceed to checkout and select PayPal as your payment option. Third, if your purchase qualifies, usually between $30 to $1,500, you will see the Pay in 4 option. Click to apply instantly. Fourth, confirm your transfer details and PayPal pays the retailer immediately. Your first payment is due at checkout. Now let us look at charges. For the standard 4-payment plan, the charge is typically 0% interest and no late fees if you pay on time. However, for larger, longer-term plans, pay monthly, expect a finance charge or annual percentage rate, usually ranging from 9.99% to 29.99% APR. So here are 5 tricks to avoid charges completely. 1. Always select Pay in 4. The trick to 0% interest is to only use the short-term PayPal installment payment method, which is Pay in 4, and, avoid the longer pay monthly plan that actually accrues interest. 2. Pay on time. The trick to avoid fees is simply meeting every due date. Since most plans have 0 late fees, timely payments ensure, 0 total charges. Okay, so number 3, set up autopay. Manually tracking payments is, honestly, kind of risky. The trick here is to make sure your payment is automatically deducted from your bank or debit card, which, helps prevent any chance of a missed payment or penalty. Alright, number 4, check your total. Before you click confirm, the trick is to double-check that the total amount to pay matches the item price. That way, you can be sure you weren't charged an origination fee. Number 5, use a non-fee card. If you're making a purchase internationally, it's important to make sure your debit or credit card isn't adding a separate foreign transaction fee. The trick is to use a fee-free card that's linked to your PayPal account. So yeah, just use these simple steps to start using the PayPal installment payment method fee-free starting today. And hey, subscribe for more financial secrets.